Well, good morning. Just barely. It's like 2 minutes after midnight, so this is William Williams, Philippines. It is technically Saturday AM, 2 minutes after midnight, so 2 minutes into the day. I hope everybody's having a wonderful Saturday and a great weekend. May your food be good. Yeah. I'm still questioning. I survived. That's about all I'm admitting to at this point. Apparently I was not exactly bright when I put this thing up, and yeah. Apparently I forgot the charger. Not good. So this is going to be a short and sweet one. Yeah. I'm here. That's about all I admit to. Yeah. Some days it's just rough. Yeah. Got on there and was trying to get a couple things done today or yesterday during the day. I was not up to it. Pretty much shot my weekend. Could have been worse. At least nobody was shooting at me. Yeah, it can always be worse. You got to remember, it could have been worse. Be thankful it wasn't. That's kind of important. And even on days when they're shooting at you, be thankful they're missing. Anyway, yeah, it is what it is. Boy, I think I'm going to try to go from here at the farmer's market in the morning, try to pick up a couple bits of vegetables, and then go to the house and try and mow. Seems like that's all I'm doing lately is just trying to keep up with mowing. I don't know about y'all, but I'm getting tired of the lawnmower. Yeah, it's a good reason to get rid of them. Anyway, I'm gonna call this one. Sorry it's so short. Y'all have a good day and blessings. I'm William from Williams, Philippines. And hey, I'm Fish, and Fish is out.